All right, guys, 828 Fine Adventure here. Here is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner intake. You can see here this large piece with the rubber gasket to seal against the hood. I guess that would be to keep moisture out. Has these places here for rainwater to drop. Now this is the OEM air intake. Got intake hose here. This is rubber, has some little, I don't know, flex joints or something like that put into it. This is your sensor, which is the flow sensor, or what exactly it is, but it's for your computer to read how much air is going into the engine and to regulate that. Now that comes after the air filter. The air filter is right here. This is what this is what we're going to be eliminating, and this pipe here. So this just goes back onto the new intake that we're going to put. And I just wanted to show you this so you can get a visual on what all of this looks like. Now this works great. This 4Runner has plenty of performance, very fast, lots of power, but I wanted a little turbo noise, and I heard about the 6th Element and I want to try it out. I have an intake on the GTI and I love the turbo noise we get out of it with the aftermarket intake. So what I want to show you today though, I want to show you what's in the box. And the installation is going to be real easy in the test drives. Right now we got some winter storm or hogwash coming through. But anyhow, so this is what we're replacing. And this is good Toyota quality. I mean, they've engineered this. You know, they've done a great job here. You can see there where it connects up. I mean, it's all real easy install. Just some minor bolts and clips and a few things to take off, and it'll be good to go. So let's go check out what's in the box from 6th Element. 6th Element air intake for the 2025 4Runner. It's the same one that goes on the Tacoma. I'm pretty sure they're identical. But I want to show you this. I want to show you what's in the box. That's all this video is going to be about. It's an unboxing. I'm going to show you every little thing that comes with it. Okay, like I said, it's got this really cool graphic of the intake on here. 6th Element. I'm having trouble saying sixth Element. Anyhow, so let's go ahead and get this open. We cut it open very carefully. Very lightly. There we go. All right, look at this. Of course, going along with their logo and everything. I don't know who did the package design on this to go with the company, but they did a great job. Somebody is a really awesome designer. Package designer, graphic designer, creative director. They did a great job here. You get this card. 6th Element Engineering. It's similar to the one I've got on the GTI from Integrated Engineering. It's kind of a mouthful of letters there. That's pretty cool. This is install instructions and any help you might need. It's pretty cool. All right, we got some directions here. This is all pretty technical stuff. It's a nice schematic, or it almost looks like an actual blueprint. This is pretty cool. Nice of them to do that. This would be really cool blown up and framed and put on your wall. That would be a pretty neat thing to do. So here's your intake, and you can see here, this is where that oxygen sensor goes. Believe it's called a max flow sensor. I could be wrong, but anyways, it just goes right in here, and it's got the screws in here. This is substantial. It's very smooth inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually kind of shiny. It's pretty neat. And this will work a lot better than the factory one because there's no obstruction. Now the factory computer adjusts to that, but this will make that airflow better. These intakes, this type of intake is really, you will see a difference when you drive it. Okay, so let's put that back. See how that went in there. There we go. Okay. We have, these are tubes to help join the intake pipe here that we've got. They come with bands. I mean, you are definitely getting good quality here. This is like, I've seen some that aren't great, and which is why I went with SXTH Element, and why I went with integrated engineering on the GTI. I mean, they just had really thought out parts that were just well made, and just, I mean, even the bands are good quality. I mean, this is what I want to spend my money on. I don't want cheap stuff that's expensive. I want good stuff that's expensive. So here we go. We have the see if I can get this up here. These pieces of paper come off, and this is clear plastic, acrylic, some sort of plexiglass, I'm not sure. It has these little rare earth magnets in here. This goes on top. I want to show you here of the filter right there. Let me show you. Look at that. Pops down. It's not going to come off driving. Trust me, those magnets are strong. Of course, they've got the design engraved into that clear plastic lid. And there's your filter right there. Look at that. So let me take that out and show it to you. Okay. Now, just like the factory one, it has the vents here to catch any moisture that gets into your engine bay. It's got a rubber seal here to seal up under your hood. Has this nice places for the magnetic cover. And the filter is already pre-installed, which I don't know. I'll have to check and see if I have to take that out. But I just want to show you this. I mean, look at this. This is all really nice and put together. Just, I mean, most of this is all bolted together already. These are metal. They're not plastic. Right here, this is where it attaches on top of, I guess it's your wheel tub in the 4Runner or Tacoma. These are metal. This isn't just like snapped on, it's metal. Everything here is like top-notch engineering. This is the piece where it vents out into the wheel tub of the truck, I believe, just like the Tundra did. But this is like, they've really made this smooth so the air flows over it. And I just want to show you this. I mean, look at that. This is the bottom side. The bottom of this part that goes over the radiator bracket on the front of your vehicle. And there's that side. Let's turn it around this way. I want to show you this side. There we go. And again, let's look at it from the top. I mean, it's really awesome. This is like fantastic. I can't wait to get this installed. I don't know where that goes. I'll just have to figure it out. But that's all we have in the box. So, you know, it's really just these parts. Let me get the other ones out here. So there you go. So this is, let me peel this stuff off here so you can get a better idea of what we're looking at. Okay, I wanted to show you this, that cool design on it, and these little magnets. So all this does is goes on just like that. And then you can see the filter under it, which is really cool. Now, if you want to get a lot of noise out of this in the summer and when it's warmer, pull this plexiglass off. In the winter, I have a cover for the one in the GTI. It's a factory cover. It's not factory. It's made by the same people who made the intake in cold weather. It just helps the engine warm up more. So when it gets warmer, or if you live in a warm environment, you can just drive without that. Now your filter will get dirtier quicker, but you know, you're going to clean those filters and or replace them. But you'll hear more of the noise, that turbo noise, a little bit of blow off maybe. That's what the GTI does. We're gonna test this out and see. Let's carry this around front, and I want to show you what these parts go to. And we will get this installed as soon as this crazy winter weather blows through starting tonight. So let me see here. So what we have right here, you can see the same shape right here. and it just sits right there, just like factory. I mean, you know, so this one does have grooves right here. You can't see them, but they're little slots. Lets water flow through, I guess, or wind get in, and, you know, just keeps moisture away from your air filter. This one has the same thing, and it just pops down like that. I mean, it's pretty cool. Let me move this back a little bit. But yeah, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Goes right in. This will be a pretty easy install for me since I've done intakes before. And let me show you this right here. This is the intake pipe here. I believe you call it. It's got the place here for the sensor, and basically it's going to go right there, and it will have those rubber couplings with those bands that'll go there, and then this, you'll just relocate it. There's plenty of wire to do it, and it'll just go right here with the 2 bolts. It's going to be really easy, and you know, as you can see, you know, if you look at that one, it's got all those ribs on it, and this one's going to be smooth, and that's going to really help the air get into the engine. So I can't wait to get this installed after this weather. So that's what we got, and you know, I just wanted to share with you what comes in the box for people shopping around for this. You can check it out. I like this one. Now there are some out there by other companies that are, you know, I've heard they're good. I don't know. The 6th Element, they've really gone the extra mile in quality and finish and fit. And you know, I'm going to be real happy with this. I can already tell. The quality's there. That's what I'm paying for. So, you know, we'll get this installed after the weather. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. Follow me for more videos. I have a lot on the 4Runner, the 25 Tacoma. I had a 21 Tundra, and a few other vehicles that have come through here that I've done work on and mods. Check out my channel, check out the videos, and, you know, check under the video. I put all my links to things that I've put on cars and stuff under the video in the description, and you know, discount codes and different things like that are all there. So check that out, and stay tuned for the video of the install. I can't wait to do it after this crazy weather. See ya.